Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to see Amazon Prime Video subscriptions. This is useful if you want to check what services you're paying for or manage your add-on channels. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Sign into your account with your credentials. Alternatively, if you already have access to Prime Video, you can open it directly. For this tutorial, we'll go through the full process from the main Amazon site. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a button that says All with 3 horizontal lines next to it. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the main navigation menu where you can access different Amazon services. From the menu that appears, locate and click on Prime Video. This will take you into the Prime Video section of Amazon. Now on the left sidebar, you'll need to click Prime Video once more. This ensures you're fully within the Prime Video interface where you can manage your subscriptions and settings. Next, turn your attention to the upper right panel of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account and Settings. This is where all your Prime Video account management options are located. Finally, in the top toolbar, click on Subscriptions. This will display all your active and past Amazon Prime Video-related subscriptions. You'll be able to see everything from your main Prime Video subscription to any add-on channels you might have, like HBO, Showtime, or specialty streaming services. This view gives you a complete overview of what you're currently subscribed to and what you've had in the past. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Amazon Prime Video subscriptions page where you can review and manage all your streaming services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.